Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install simple voice chat for Minecraft Java 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write simple voice chat, click moderate link, then you need to go to versions, select a game version 26.1 and then select Fabric option and download it. Once it's downloaded, then go to fabricmc.net. Press download for Windows, and then download Universal Jar as well. So in overall, you should have 3 files. Then go completely close Minecraft Launcher, and then press on Fabric Installer. And the option should open up and you can install it easily. If for some reason you're getting error here, there's 2 options. You don't have latest Java, so you need to go to Google and install latest Java, or you did not completely close Minecraft Launcher. So after you get successfully installed, you can press close it and then open up Minecraft Launcher and wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Okay, and then I will show you what you need to do next. Next up, what you need to do is to go to installations. You should see Fabric Loader 26.1, press on the folder. On folder, you should see mods folder here. If you don't see mods folder, press new and just name it mods. Then I will delete everything from here. And then what you need to do next is to simply drag and drop these 2 files, Fabric Installer and voice chat, right? And then you just need to launch Fabric Loader and wait until it loads up. So as you can see here, I'm in single player, and then I can set up my basically thing here. Put your speakers, the right ones that you use, and also your microphone. Press next and activate your voice, or do push to talk. With that voice activation, you don't need to do anything. You will be talking automatically, but with push to talk, you can set a key. And when you press that specific key, others will hear your voice. Of course, you need to find some servers that basically simple voice chat is working, because not in all of them will work. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.